Welcome to our first 2-minute tutorial on project definition. William and Bernard Limited is a project management training company aimed at improving the standards of the design and construction industries. With over a decade of experience in project implementation, William and Bernard Limited will help to guide you to bring out the absolute best in yourself and the projects you work on. So, let's take a look at how we define a project. Inception. In this element of the project, you and the project team need to consider the need for the project. Is there a need for the project? Definition. In this element, we need to clearly define the project. This is the most important element of the project and therefore usually takes the longest time. Evolution. In this element of the project, the aim is to gain the cost and program certainty. Articulation. This element of the project essentially boils down to detailed design. This is where we articulate all of the project specifics. Actualisation. This is the part of the project where the project plan is implemented. And finally, evaluation. In this element of the project, you and the project team will review the project